Hello, howdy guys. This is Jaman from Future IT Vision. So our earlier class we talk about Java download IntelliJ, and also we talk about how to create a package, project, package, and class, and we print out the message. Today we will be do how to uh, how to use the string in the class. So what is the string? Let me do something, then I will be explain. So I'm going to create a new class, java class, java class name, java string. Okay, and enter. So I have a class name java string. I'm giving class name java string because I did one mistake guys by purpose, but I hope you get it what mistake I did. Actually this class has to be capital letter, so name. So now I can rename it. You can click here, or I can click here, right click and rename, refactor, rename again guys. You can click here, right click, or you can java string, right click, refactor, rename. When you say rename, this is the correct way to do IntelliJ renaming. Okay, java. So if you use this class anywhere, it will be automatically change. So now java string. So I have a class name, and as you know guys, we need a main method because we need to run our functional code. So that's why we need a main method. We're going to create it. So I'm going to save time. I'm going to copy from here. I'm just trying to save, copy from here and go here, paste. Okay, and I don't need this message anymore here right now. Okay, so now I have a main method. Now we talk about before string. What is the string? How we can use the string? String is a sequence of data, but multiple type of data you can put inside the string together. Can be number, there can be character, there can be word, there can be sentence, and you can provide inside the string. Okay, it's called sequence of data. In Java, string is very important guys. You have to know how to use the string. So in future, you later on you will be see guys how string is important for Java and Selenium. So now string base sequence of data. Now this we can, how we can create this string value inside. Example, earlier you guys see that so here with a double quotation, whenever you see the double quotation, that means is expecting for a string value. What is the string value? Can be number, can be sentence, then can be word, can be character, or can be character. Those are can be together. You can combinedly provide anything you want. Whatever you provide, it will be give you return same thing over here. Okay, example earlier we show you guys 2 plus 2 4, hello world, blah blah, whatever we provide, you see here. So now today we're not going to see these things again. What we're going to see, we're going to see how string provided work. So before that, so now I'm going to move this, right? Okay, I'm going to keep this. Now I'm going to provide here, I'm going to declare some string variable, string I'm going to name shop. I provide here equal double quotation, computer. So now we create here, we declare this string and as a shop and equal computer. Now you confuse, you guys say the double quotation is the string value provider, what he providing here. So we declares the string variable. What is variable? Variable is a which piece of memory where you can save some instant data. Example, we saying that string shop equal computer, this shop representing computer, whatever value, whatever equal value, or whatever expected value. So now whatever expected value we provide a equal value, we provide your computer as a the shop value. So now whenever I call the shop, it will be represent this computer. How? Example, you have double. Now we need double quotation. If you keep, if you declare the variable and you want to call this variable value, you should not use double quotation, because if you use double quotation, this is not connected with this one. Will be, it will be separate, it will be value. This is not a value, this is a value variable, and this is the value. Am I right? So we want the value from the variable. So what you can do, because this is holding the data, holding the memory, which is the value of the shop, the computer, this. So we want the shop example. So now we're going to move the double quotation inside, and I'm going to say shop, shop. Okay, so now you see here this color change. Before it was not used, that's why now we call this. Okay, I am alive. See, when I click here, it is showing that active here. So now string shop equal computer. So now if I print out, and I will be get this computer value. So if I print out, I will get computer value. So I'm right click here and run, and you see here printing the computer. Okay, the print is the computer. This is the string value. So you can, if you have confusion, okay, you have inside the same method, and that's why you're printing these things. But if I double quotation here, and if I say here shop, what will be happen? You thinking, oh, it should be computer printer? No, it's not going to print out the computer, it's going to print out shop, because you already hard coded. When inside double quotation, that means you already selected what you want, and it cannot be changed. So now if I run, it will be print out shop. Computer not, because we don't call computer, we call shop inside a double quotation. But if I remove the double quotation, now you representing this shop is this shop. Then your now Java understand, okay, you're talking about this shop. So this shop equal is computer. When I run, it will be provide computer. I hope guys you understand how string work. Eh, this is a computer. You can put the number 1 2 3 4 5, or and then I can say comma, this is my shop, whatever you want, and you can print out, and it will be print out this string variable value, because we call this string variable inside the system out print lint inside here. So now computer 1 2 3 this shop. So sequence of data, we provide the string and returning the same value. So now we know how string, but how we can move this from inside the, because we don't want this variable is inside the here. So we can, okay, no problem. So we will be move from here. So you will move from here to inside the class. It was before, earlier was inside the method, inside the class. Good here. But now this shop you cannot call. You know why? Because the main method is static. So when you want to call anything from outside of the static method, so it has to be static. Static method saying that, or static main method say that, okay, you want to come my house, you have to come as my rules. You have to follow the my rules. You have to have statics. So now if you want to use the variable, you have to have static. Otherwise, this main method is not will not allow, because if you go cursor here, is a non-static field. Shop cannot be referenced from the static context. So now we will learn what is the static in later on. But now try to understand the main thing, main function. If you want to call anything from outside, and if you want to call inside the static method, you have it has to be static. Okay, so now if I say here uh, static, boom, okay, you're my brother. They are saying that, okay, you're my brother, I recognize you now. Okay, that means you are static, I am static. Good, you can come in. So the main method, now let him come inside the static method. Okay, now you can run the test and you will be see computer 1234, this is my shop. So today we learn how to use string variable or string, how to use string in the Java class, and what to do with a string variable and with main method. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section. I will be answer it. Thank you so much for you guys.